Pagers exploding across Lebanon with hundreds of Hezbollah members seriously injured and ambulances rushing to the scene. Arab and Israeli media report communication devices detonated when those receiving calls picked them up. Lebanese security alleges the explosions were caused by Israel hacking into Hezbollah's radio communication system. Well, joining us with more and other issues facing Israel is Ohad Tal. He is a member of the Israeli Knesset with the National Religious Party, Religious Zionism. This is a big breach of security, is it not, for Hezbollah? How did this possibly happen?
First of all, I think I would recommend every person who holds a beeper or these kind of devices to have a proper antivirus on his phone. But being serious, I think what we've seen today, of course, I cannot confirm who did it. I don't know. I don't know if Israel done that or maybe
Israel has a capability, though.
Or maybe right? It was just malfunctioning in their devices. But
Passengers on flight 3598, your gate number has been...
Hi, Dad.
Hey, buddy.
Are you coming home?
Yeah, soon.
It's terrorists, right? It's gotta be terrorists.
Don't use your cell phone.